Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and I am back at it with another tutorial. The video is sponsored by Aligrace hair. Links will be in the description down below to purchase and to also see how much it's an affordable wig. So don't forget to go check it out, y'all. So I don't want to keep y'all long, so let's hop right into this tutorial. My head, y'all. I'm about to put a wig on, so this is how I look. And my nails is just ratchet as hell. But yeah, y'all. I haven't been on here because I've been waiting to get like real spiffed up for my birthday. My eyebrows, I did them, so they're probably getting oily. Let me see. So tired, I couldn't do it. Like when you're not in the mood for something, you just don't do it. But anyways, I'm coming here today so that you can see this snatched beat that I'm about to do. It's not going to be a cut crease. It's going to be something simple that you can rock outside, ready to go, you know, something really cute and stuff. In the shade number 5, y'all know, if I don't say if I don't list the stuff in the description right below, I will try my very best to show you the product and also tell you in the video. So if you didn't quite hear something, look in the description right below, because sometimes I don't, it's just be a hassle to do that. Like that's too much. These are Briana contacts. I will leave her stuff in the description right below as well, so that you can get some. Y'all gotta see it with the look, because I know it's about to be wild with the look. It's like a natural everyday contact, y'all. These is in the style Best Friend. It's like for everything to be like perfect, y'all. Y'all just don't know. Like I like to be shaved. I like to be, my face to be shaved, everything before I start the tutorial. That gets me in the mood. Like when I feel a certain way, the tutorial is gonna come out good. So even one for these two concealer buffer brush. The palette has been sitting in my drawer for the longest. What I want to do is I am going to take this one first. A 167 brush. I'm going to apply this on the outer V area. I don't really want it to be dark brown. My BH Cosmetics number 6 brush. Take this color, this shade, pencil girl, get it together. Take a very soft brown, y'all, to put on the brow bone. Y'all know me. Put that on the brow bone area. That's it. My 221 to basically smoke in the first shade. I think I'm going with this shade right here. It looks very nudish. I'm going with this shade it's called Priceless, out of the this shade right there, 505. is I'm putting the second shade on the outer V area. I'm gonna put a couple on my hand dots and I'm just going to bounce this. I'm using my Real Techniques brush. For concealer today, I'm gonna use my Tarte Tape Shape Concealer 10 Deep Sand. And I did my face off camera. I will leave it in the description below, but now what I'm about to do is I'm about to take Sephora's Micro Smooth Powder in the shade Mahogany. Palette right here, this is Holy Makeup Addiction Holy Glow Volume 2 palette. Now what I'm about to do is I'm going to take my Morphe bag and my brush. This is a E4 brush. This bronzer is called Glamour Bronze in the shade Phantom. My Peachy and Love palette. I'm done with the face, so for under eye, I am going to put white milk in my water in this. Take hot cocoa. So this lip gloss, I don't know if it's gonna be cute or not, but it's called Apricot, and this is from Canon.
It would have been better if you bleached or not.
Okay, wetness. Don't mind my lace, y'all. I did not bleach. Disclaimer, I did not bleach it. So the knots are still black. So if you are looking for a wig that you can just pop on without bleaching it, or you know, you just didn't have the time, just throw a scarf on the lace part, something real cute, and you can go. But yeah, this wig is cute overall. Everything will be in the description bar below. Then I'll see you guys on the next